Skeet my dudes, it's your waifu. So I'm gonna jump right into this review since it's a really small one. As you can see, this is the SD Sinaju and he's small and cute and I love him. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at him like all menacing with his gun, but he's actually super adorable. Let me lift up his head so you can see his little eye there. Oh, so cute. I love you. So, there's not much to say to this guy. Obviously, he's super deformed. Um, let's see. So visually, as you can see, he's missing some details because you're supposed to paint them on. You do get a bunch of stickers, but they're not nearly enough to add all the details. Also, I think if you would get stickers for something this small, it'd probably be super painful. I like stickers, so for me it would have been fine to add a little bit of extra stickers, but I mean for an SD, what can you expect? So if you're the kind of guy that likes to paint, well, go ahead. You definitely have some details that still need to go on there. Overall for the stickers, I do like the stickers that do come with it. I like the black and the red. The gold stands out on these stickers. See, it's like a shiny gold. So you have one for the shield. And then on his chest, these are two parts. So this one goes on top and this one is a separate sticker that goes at the bottom. You can see mine isn't perfectly centered. It's a little bit moved. And then these two over here, there's also on his arms, these cuffs are stickers. They're also in two parts, so a front part and a back part. You can't really, there you go. I think you can see the seam now. There you go. And then there's also stickers on his shins, but they're hidden a little bit. I'm gonna lift this arm up, see if you can see that. See, there's a sticker underneath there. Let me take the leg off just to show you. There you go. And as you can see, the joints on this are pretty good. You can actually take him apart that easily, so for me that's a good sign. He's nice and comfortable. I think he's not even now. I don't think they can have in there. Let me... There you go. So in terms of articulation, obviously his head bops around. He is on a ball joint. So you can twisty him. There you go. See, you can shake him, but obviously there's not much more to it than that. His shoulders also twisty. They're also ball joints, so you can move him around as much as his shapes allow it, because he is very chunky. Obviously, you could lift his arms all the way up, but you can't because his head is so big, so it's blocking his shoulder pads from moving up. But if you would take the head off, just to show you guys, you can move these like all the way up. Wait, let me... See, they can go further than they look. It's just, well, yeah, with such a big head in the way, obviously you can't move much. And then his arms, they just bend at the elbow. The lighting is really bad here. Okay, see, he bends that way. Not much more than that. And then his hands also twist. There you go. And then separately, you can also move this hand. It's also a ball joint, so again, you can move it as much as his shape permits it. He has this little gun. The gun just fits into his hand. It fits quite snugly, so it's not going to fall out. Let me push it back in there. And then his shield, it goes on the side. You can see there's several options, so you can have it higher or lower, and if you really wanted to, you could put it in one of these sockets as well. I'm imagining there's some use to that, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I have it in the upper socket, so it comes quite low. He also moves at his waist. It's a little bit hard to move him because he's so thick. So here you go. See, a little bit up and down, but not much. So be a little bit careful. And then his little legs, they're also on pegs. So up and down, open and closed. See, you can move him a bit back and forth, but not much because his skirt is just in the way. But if you look a little closer, you can see that's also a ball joint. So it will again move as far as it is possible. And then his little feetsies, they just go up and down. And do they twist? No, they don't actually twist. So it's just back and forth, these two. There you go. And then to his backside, let's switch over. So he has this little backpack thingy with his, what would you call this? It's not a, not a blaster. What do you call this? Like a thruster. A thruster is the word I'm looking for. So these are his thrusters. It fits on to the back. You can remove it, but it's quite tight in there, so you do have to give it a pretty good pull. So nice and snug on there. And then these side thrusters, they also move any way you want them to. You can go up and down, open and closed. So that gives you a bit of options. See, pretty quick one. You don't have much to say, do you? So very happy with this one. He's super cute. Also, he was a quick build. I'm not sure how much time I took to build him. You guys will see in my speed build. I do think I'm having my speed build like not sped up. It's probably just gonna be real time. I'm not sure yet because I still have to edit that video. You guys will see, like by the time that I'm uploading this video, you guys are already gonna have seen the speed build, well, if you can call it the speed build when it's not sped up. See? There you go. Buddies, thank you for watching. Yay! Um, Remember to give my video a like, also subscribe to my channel, and if you like, you can hit the notification bell so that way you will know when I'm uploading. Also, I'll live stream every Wednesday, so be sure to come so we can have fun together. Alright guys? Also, again, thank you to my patrons for supporting me. You guys always help me out with upgrading my equipment and buying more stuff, which is always nice. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.